Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the portfolio. So, right now, obviously, this year has been the time of semis and memory. If you guys have not been in semiconductors or memory chip stocks this year, then you basically missed out on hundreds of percents of gains. As you see here, AMD, not even the biggest gainer, but not even close. Well, up 141%, obviously. I believe this one will grow a lot more by the end, before the end of the year. But the other ones that have been going insane are obviously SanDisk. I mean, SanDisk year to date up 847%, right? Micron year to date, look at this, 300%. So those are the top dogs right now in this year. But if you guys haven't been able to catch that wave, then you will probably be able to catch the next wave, which I believe are a handful of stocks. I believe SoFi will be do well. Elf. So basically, all the stocks that I have here, these type of sectors, big tech, I think will do very well either next year or 2028. So this is the time where you need to be stacking as many shares as possible. Whenever the markets are down, like today, you see some big moves in some of these stocks. You see Palantir down 5%. I think we can see Palantir probably into the 90s. So I'm not really in a rush of putting $10,000 into anything. I like to slowly buy into stocks. Um, but yeah, I see Amazon probably getting down to low 200s, if not lower than that, if the market continues to drop. So you could just buy every time it goes down $10. Buy at 220, buy at 210, buy at 200. If it keeps going down, you keep buying more. Microsoft, another one, it's at 350 right now. Really good price. I think I did buy one share. Just slow. I don't have that much money coming in. I mean, I do have decent money coming in, but I don't have unlimited money. So gotta buy a little bit at a time. I see it at 355. I buy it. If it goes down to in the 340s, I'll buy another share. Netflix, another one. I see it at 70. I'll buy some at 70. If it goes under 70, I'm gonna buy some at in the 60s. Just continue to dollar cost average. I see Salesforce. I buy it 150. If it goes to 145, I'll probably buy some. I bought some at 154. So slowly buying some of these and just stacking up shares. That's the way to play it, because once the market shifts from semis and memory, all that money's gonna be going into all these names right here, and then we're gonna see a shift. So I'll make my money into with AMD. I think AMD will probably start selling out of it when it hits closer to like $1,000 a share. I think the next couple quarters will be insane, and then after the next couple quarters, I'll probably slowly start selling some calls on it and make some income. Or if not, just sell, like, I have 130 shares. I'll probably sell, and I'll only have 50 shares, so I'll probably sell 80 shares, and I'll have a decent amount of cash on the side to buy some other stuff. So just slowly start shifting my money into other stuff. I'm not selling anything. I'm just buy. That's the way of the game. I'm a long-term investor. I don't like just selling stuff. I don't want to pay taxes. If I was to sell my AMD in and out every single time, imagine me selling AMD right now. I had to pay. I make $51,000 in returns. What is that? I'm gonna probably get taxed like $10,000 right there. $10,000. I do not want to pay $10,000 in taxes. So I'm just gonna be holding on to this for as long as possible until I see a slowdown, or I see potential signs of a slowdown, and then I'll probably sell out of 80, like 70% of my shares, and just keep like 50 shares for the long term, and continue to buy these weak names. They're still putting up pretty good numbers. You're seeing Palantir putting up very good numbers, and it's going down a lot. So I hope most of these stocks keep going down 10-20%, because that will be good money once the market recovers, and the market and money starts moving into some of these names. We'll start making a lot of money in these names, and the portfolio will keep staying close to all-time highs. Even though the market's been very heavy into semis and stuff like that. Like, I've been slowly putting my money into everything else, and it's been like I've been able to lessen the blow on some of my other names just because I have AMD. And whenever AMD is super red, all the other stocks are green. So my portfolio is staying always close to all-time highs, which is what I like. I'm not seeing no big dips so far.